Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to fix Windows 10 update error, that is 0x80004002. So if you're receiving this error code when updating your Windows 10, then please follow the steps shown in this video. Now the first step is to run update troubleshooter. For this, go to the start menu, then click on settings. Now click on update and security and then click on troubleshoot. Now click on additional troubleshooter. Now click on Windows Update, then click on Run the Troubleshooter, and once the troubleshoot is complete, restart your computer and then try to update your Windows 10 once again. Now still you are receiving the error message. In that case, you can use Windows 10 Update Assistant. So copy this link. The link is provided in the video description. Open this link in a browser. It will take you to Microsoft website. Now over here you can see Windows Update Assistant. Click on Update Now. Now once you click on Update Now, it will download a exe file. Now run this exe file. Click on yes to allow. Now it will check for update. Now if there is any pending update, you will see the install option. So install it and that should go ahead and fix the error message. Now the next step is to reset Windows Update components. For this, copy all these commands. These commands are provided in the video description. So copy till here. Now open Notepad on your computer. So type in Notepad in Windows search box, open Notepad. Paste all the command over here, then go to file, then click on save as, and you can save it to desktop and name it as wufix.bat, and for save as type, select all files, then click on save. Now go to desktop. Now here you can see wufix.bat file. Make a right click, then click on run as administrator. Make sure that you're opening this file as an administrator. Now click on yes to allow. Now first of all, it will go ahead and stop all the Windows Update services. Now once it stops all the Windows Update services, it will run some scans. Now once the scan is complete, it will restart all the Windows Update services. Then you can restart your computer and then try to update your Windows 10. So make sure that you restart your computer once the process is complete. Now the last step is to use media creation tool to update your Windows. So copy this link. Now here you can see media creation tool. Click on download tool now, and once the download is complete, run the exe file. Now once you run the exe file, you will see this screen which says accept. So click on accept, and by default upgrade this PC now would be selected. So click on next, and it will start downloading Windows 10 along with the latest update. Now this process will take some time, so let the process complete. Now once the download is complete, before the installation, you will see this screen which says ready to install, and by default the option to keep personal files and app will be checked. Now when this is checked, you will not lose any data on the computer. So click on install. After the installation, log into your computer and your Windows should be up to date and you should not receive this error message anymore. So that will be all. Thank you so much for your time, and please like this video and subscribe to my channel.